Hello, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is going to be on the T-Mike Vintage Outboard Shop workers, the team here, and the motors that we put together and are using for our personal use. So there's Matthew. Wave to us, Matthew. There's Matthew. You all know Matthew already, and we got a new helper, a new hand here named Brandon. One of Matthew's buddies that's come to work here in the shop, going to help put motors together. So I put my rig together, and then Matthew put his rig together, and we decided to make a video to show them to you. So if everybody's ready, here we go. All right, so you've all seen my rig when I go out and shoot my videos. There's my latest restore on it, the Johnson 18, and named her Missy for my 15-year-old Labrador Retriever that I lost about a year ago. So that's my Feathercraft 14-foot John boat. Well, Matthew, who's been with me for 5 years, got jealous and he decided he wanted a rig. So this was before he started working on the motors. So I made him a good deal on a Johnson 10 horse, 7.5. A Johnson 7.5, and I sold him my old 14-foot John boat that I used to take these videos on. When I bought my Missy boat, I sold him that, and look what he did to it. He refurbished that thing all himself. Tell us about it, Matthew. What'd you do to this thing?
So, put a brand new trolling motor, brand new decking system. I used aluminum for the structure underneath.
Yeah?
And I put a hatch inside.
Wow.
And cool. Brand new battery, brand new seat. Everything's brand new trailer. Only thing old is the boat and the motor.
New tire. You put new tires on my old trailer, and you use the matching paint, right?
Yes, sir.
To match the motor. I mean, very, very cool. Couldn't be proud of Matthew and his rig. You have to take it out one day and race him. All right, so there's the latest from T-Mike Vintage Outboards. And the boys here, me and the boys here, they're about to take her out and go fishing. Matthew got him a fishing spot. He's all picked out. Last weekend caught some, and they're headed to the lake right now in the old vintage outboard to go catch some fish. So remember, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're
doing it one motor at a time.
See y'all next video. Hope you enjoyed the video here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards. We're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!